Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Pro DP21 business desktop. And friend, it features powerful performance and dedicated to unique requirements of small and medium sized business, featuring up to the latest 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor and 64 GB memory with dual channel design. User can experience a breathtaking documents and presentation editing experience. User can also enjoy a smoother big data analysis and reduce the waste of time while working, or just enjoy high-grade graphics or 4K video for any kind of amusement. And friend, it will be comes with 2 COM ports and 8 USB ports, which will let you fully connect to your POS device such as barcode scanner, receipt printers and many more. And friend, you can also communicate with the programmable light controllers. And friend, you can also communicate with the programmable logic controller or with other modules such as operator, HMI, motor controllers, a robot or vision system in the intelligent factory. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.